Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another SLG Meetup. I hope everybody's doing excellent today because we're gonna bring you another exciting guest. His name is Ray Corral. He's based here in Miami and he's the founder of Mosaicist Inc., which is a turnkey operation architectural firm that specializes on designing, manufacturing, and installing all kind of luxury products such as pools in the most incredible homes.
There
All right,
he is. ¿Qué
here I
pasó,
am.
Ray?
How are you, Alvaro?
Bien, ¿y tú? How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. I'm gonna have to go ahead. I don't have my earphones, so I hope that you can hear me.
Hear you perfectly. I love the glasses, by the way. Really suit you and match your shirt. So
Oh,
well
that's
done for the
great.
occasion.
Looks like I'm going straight to jail, but it's okay.
Very,
So,
very mosaic.
anyways, thanks for having me on your panel here. I've followed you for a while, and very exciting to share with you. What would you like to talk about today? I can't wait to hear what you have to say.
Well, listen, I'm very excited, first of all, to have you here today because I've been following your work for a while and I'm really a big fan of the projects that you've been working on. I mean, you've been in the industry for 25 years. And one of the things that really stood out is that you differentiate yourself from the rest by doing a whole turnkey operation, right? Like you design, manufacture, and install the whole product from beginning to end. So I want to know a little bit about it. Like, tell us a bit about yourself and what the Mosaicist Inc. is all about.
Okay, well, basically, I came before from the music industry, and then I got involved as when I wasn't touring and getting involved in performing. I was doing some artwork with my hands. I've always been involved working with my hands. I started doing some mosaic work, doing things for private homes, little small projects here and there with people that I knew. The business eventually started taking off with bigger commissions and things that I couldn't do on my own to meet the deadline or the lead times that they were giving me. And basically, I had to start looking to collaborate with other artists and all that. And that's how the business basically grew. Mosaicist, the word per se, is a person who designs, a person who manufactures, or a person who distributes or sells mosaic. That's what a Mosaicist Inc. is, or Mosaicist is, if you look it up in Wikipedia. So that's basically what my company is. We're Mosaicist Inc. And what we do is what sets us apart from everybody else in the industry is here in the United States, we're able to do in-house design work for our clients. We're able to also do manufacturing in-house. Okay. And we're also able to do, the key is we're able to install it also ourselves. So it's a full turnkey operation. It's a one-stop.
Love it.
And so that's the reason why we're able to do such gorgeous projects and why clients trust us from the beginning all the way to the end.
Some of the projects that Mosaicist Inc. specializes in.
Well, I mean, right now, I mean, due to this panel and this platform of Instagram, we have the largest social media Instagram account in the industry. So clients have been reaching me from all over the world. Even though we have sold projects in Russia, we sold projects, unfortunately what's happening, but back then, many years ago, we sold many projects there. We had, Cyprus, London, but recently, it's in the last couple of years since the panel or using the platform of Instagram is catapulted us to have this exposure of people who are looking for something more than just looking specifically in the swimming pool industry, because that's what we specialize in also. And they're looking, and they reach out to me from all over the place. And what we're getting these people that are not celebrities, and they're well-off people, because we sell a high-end product, but they're
Right.
people just beautiful projects, beautiful homes in the middle of nowhere. Right now, we're working on a project in Middlesex, North Carolina, and there's nothing in the air. It's a very unique business. Very few in the world do it the way we do it.
What's been something that you've been doing consistently that has helped you grow your page?
Content is king. If you have content and you're able to produce content, and able to put the content in a media format such as videos and beautiful pictures and things like this. This is what people are actually looking for. My clients, I tell them to go to the Instagram because there with the phone, which they're normally traveling. They're not on a computer, they're not on a laptop, they're normally traveling, or they're normally on a phone most of the time or driving around. And the platform, the actual layout of Instagram lets them flip with one,
Right.
and lets them see gallery. So if you look at my feed is a gallery of our work. Just the template, the easy way to look at the template. We do have a website, we do have Facebook, but the templates are not easy for our kind of clientele to quickly look through. It's a powerful platform. Collaborating with influencers like you is also huge. And then again, thank you for having us. But then again, going back to what's helped us grow, well, it's been over 25 years of business, a lot of projects that we've done.
Content.
And then it's 3 years that I've only been on Instagram, 3.5 years, maybe more than that. And I've been able to dominate simply because I've been able to put together amazing content.
What's been the hardest thing about working in this industry? Because it's also very competitive.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's competitive, but we're one of the few in the United States. We're actually the only one in the United States that has the amount of designers that we have, that we design in-house. We do modern, we do old world, we do Versace-esque designs. We do it, we know all artwork and architectural artwork in-house. We don't outsource anything. And then we manufacture also in-house. So we have full control of how we manufacture the colors, the material that we have, how when we show the clients how we're manufacturing, we send them pictures and the videos of how we're doing it. And then we also have our own installers. See, this is the reason why we dominate with putting artwork in architecture, is because we're able to do a turnkey, and then we warranty and we're liable for the whole thing. And a lot of our work, we collaborate a lot with designers, but mostly a lot with directly to the clients. And they tell us what they like, the direction that we're going. We have a way to qualify them. We have a way to figure out what is it that they want by using Instagram. Actually, they pick pictures of what they like, and then we try to fit in their pool per se. And then, but then again, the communication, the fact that we're here in the United States, the fact that we do everything turnkey, I mean, it sets us aside from everybody. So you mentioned about, what's going on with the competition and stuff like that. And in our book, there really isn't any. I mean, you can go look at some of the other manufacturers, or maybe, and they don't have the amount of,
Gotcha.
of content that we have, let's just say.
So Ray, let me ask you, because yes, you kind of explained it, but I just wanted to emphasize on one point, because a lot of your business is also based on collaborations. You have a big pool of designers and different people that work with you that specialize on specific things that relate to your clients' needs. Now, what would be a recommendation on going about building these collaborations, building this network of people that want to work with you?
That's a really good question. And what it is we, like I said, even though we do murals and we do interior works, we try to stay away from like mosaics and designing. And remember, we sell artwork. We're not in the business of selling one solid color tile, even though we do a lot of this, but we sell a lot of volume. So if some people might want to call us maybe for a small little section of a bathroom, we really don't specialize in that in small amounts. We're not distributors and sell just material. We are an art company, is what we are, an art mosaic company. So basically, what we really shine on is in the pool industry. 80% of our work is inside swimming pools. So we are masters at this. And the way that we collaborate is we work with our pool builders and the pool designers to explain to them how to open the door for having something more in their pool, a beautiful finish, a glass beautiful finish. But then again, you can also have a design. And believe it or not, to go back to the whole thing, it all goes back to where we're at right now, which is they go to Instagram. They basically, tell their clients, we know the owner or the founder of the company. He's willing to talk to us directly about putting something beautiful in your pool. Go to his Instagram. And if you see something you like, then whatever, and they go and they search and they're like, hey, we really interested. We like this video, and then the next question is, how much is it? And how fast can you do it? And then we start from there. But the Instagram platform helps us, get to those people, and also helps the collaboration easier. It's not simple to explain artwork to clients.
Understand. No, no, it's super, super.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in regards to something that we really ask all our guests in the show is luxury. The word luxury. It means so many different things for every individual. So I want to know what it is to you.
Luxury. Oh my goodness, super luxury. Like that. Let me see. Luxury. We use that word. I have a couple of videos and stuff like that I know that we edited, and we use luxury and we use lifestyle. And what it is,
Lifestyle.
we're selling a lifestyle is what we're doing. We're selling part of a lifestyle. It's basically what it is. When going back to let's say swimming pools, you don't have to be inside your pool to enjoy it. Most people are looking at it, and if we can make it
True.
into artwork that you can actually, it's like you can function, you can actually swim in it. It's almost like the metaverse. You can
Hmm.
actually look at it, and you can actually swim in it. So it's a piece of artwork. You can't swim, and you can't dive into a piece of art that's hanging on your wall. But having an architectural piece of artwork in your home that's a body of water that you can see when you wake up in the morning. I actually put a story today, and that's my personal home. I live in a historical home
I
here in
saw
Florida,
it. I saw it.
and that was just me
Right.
walking, downstairs, and I'm looking at my little pool because it's a little courtyard, and I'm looking at my little pool, and I'm enjoying the artwork. And even though I'm a founder of the company, I mean, I still enjoy looking at this piece, which was the design was all taken from the original historical home that I have here. And it has a couple of reliefs in the front of the house. We took that design and we designed it, and we did it on the bottom of the floor of the pool.
Beautiful.
So it's a lifestyle, Alvaro. I mean, it's all
Lifestyle. I love it. Hmm.
luxury is what we are actually offering. We're not, you might say a mosaic company or art, but it comes together with a lifestyle, the way you feel looking at it, the way others, communicate with you when they look at the artwork. It's a very interesting word you brought up, and we use it often. But what is it to me? I don't know. Luxury is mosaicist, let's say. That's the best question I can
I
answer.
love it.
Okay.
No, lifestyle is great. Now, I know that we're also running out of time. You're a busy guy with lots of work ahead. I just wanted to wrap this up by asking you, what will be one of the main takeaways that you can share with the audience of all the 25 years of experience that you've had? There is one thing that you can share with the audience.
In what terms? Like as like self-help?
Something to, yeah, something that has helped you personally to grow over the years.
Um, Something that's helped me grow personally or my company.
Yeah,
Um,
combined in
okay.
general.
Well, I mean, in regards to something that I can share with the audience that has helped my company grow, has been, I basically found a niche in my business is what helped me grow. That was, like I said, the big part of my company that we're able to sell and do these architectural pieces of art is that, again, we design it, we manufacture it, but so what? There's a lot of manufacturers, but we install it and we put it in. So this was a big thing that was missing in the industry here in the United States, and I've been able to knock this thing out and been able to put together. So what I can just wrap it up and help you explain it, or help me explain, would be find something that's missing and just fill the niche, fill the gap. Is what I did
Love it.
with
That's
Mosaic,
great.
and that's why we're able to do what we do today. I just basically do something that not other people are doing. Just find out what it is and whatever you're doing, and you'll be successful at it, I'm sure.
I couldn't agree more with you. That's excellent and true believer in it. So thank you again for sharing all these beautiful things with us today, Ray. It's been a pleasure having you here. Is there anything else that you would like to add before we wrap this up?
No, then again, thank you for reaching out, Alvaro. Amazing platforms you have. I can't wait to see who else is going to come next after me. I'm going to follow all the way through. Thank you for having me. Okay.
Well, thank you, Ray, and thank you everybody for tuning in. Make sure to follow Ray with his company Mosaic, and what they're doing is fantastic. It's a lot of inspiration and great insights. So please go ahead and follow him and the company, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you, guys.
Take care. I'll see you.